girlies, welcome back. So today I wanted to do the scrapbook haul that I mentioned in my last video. This is a collective haul. I've been purchasing things here and there since last year, so I wanted to share with you girlies all of the goodies that I picked up for my new hobby. At the beginning of the year, Michael's had a huge sale on their craft storage, and I picked up two of these large storage case from Simply Tidy. And I had been looking for little drawers, the ones that go underneath the bed, and they work really good. I really like them, so I got two of these. I wasn't gonna show these, but I did mention in my last video that I was gonna show the Christmas paper pad that I picked up. And I'm not going to spend too much time on these items. I did pick up the little washi tape, and I thought they were just so cute. I love that it looks like the mailing stamp. I also got the sticker book, and it just, yeah, I'm pretty sure you already seen these in so many videos. I also got the ephemera, and then this die cut and stamps. I really loved the bows that come with it, and it has the dies. When I purchased this, I had a voucher and it ended up coming up to $1. Here is the paper pad. I love that this collection included pink. Like, it's the traditional Christmas colors, but with pink. So I definitely had to pick it up. And yeah, that is the paper pad. I also picked up this glue stick from Recollections. I also used a coupon, so I got this really cheap. And then my husband, for Valentine's Day, he was gonna make me a bouquet. He bought this cute little ribbon. He didn't end up using it, but of course I was gonna keep it. It's so cute. I was thinking I could use this in my Valentine's Day layout. I almost forgot these items. I had these separate, but I picked these up another time. I picked up these cute little mini letter stamps, and I got the uppercase and lowercase letter stamps. And then I had to pick up a ink pad because I don't have any, and I didn't know what color to get, so I just got it in black. I picked up a whole bunch of items on Amazon, like this scrapbook. I purchased this one because I really loved the color, and it's such a perfect, beautiful pink, and it is expandable. I feel like a lot of girlies forget that these are expandable, but yeah, I got this one. This one is from the brand Pioneer. This is how it looks like on the inside. This sheet you can take off. Here is the little flap. In the front, it shows you how all that works. So yeah, that's good that it comes with this. It shows you how the scrapbook works and all that. I went with this scrapbook. I do have other scrapbooks from my favorite brand, but I also wanted a plain pink one. So I purchased this paper trimmer and scoreboard from the brand We Are Memory Keepers. And I'm not sure if this item is discontinued from them or what, but it's super hard to find the little pink blades. They do have them in blue, so I'm gonna have to order them in blue. Other than that, I really like the trimmer. It works really good, so I got that trimmer. I also purchased these other items off of Amazon as well, and I got the EZ runner. I looked at other tape runners, but I ended up going with this one. Hopefully this one works for what I wanted to do. So I got that, and then I also bought this corner punch, these little mini precision scissors from the brand Heidi Swap. These are just so cute. And then I also bought these little storage sticker album books. This is how they originally come, packaged up. I just put a pink sheet in the front so it doesn't look super ugly when you look at it from the outside. But when I open it up, I think this is, oh, these are my alphabet stickers. So this is how I store them. I have quite a bit. I already put my Valentine's Day stickers in here. So yeah, it's quite a few, but I guess I could do a separate video on that if you are interested in seeing. I also bought this item online. This is a photo trimmer from the brand Fiskars. This is a great photo trimmer. However, it is discontinued, so that's the only bad thing. But other than that, it's a great photo trimmer and I really like it. I've used it already. I also went to Five and Below and I found this cute coquette sticker book, and it just has so many pretty coquette stickers. I already seen a few that I'm for sure gonna be using, and yeah, it just comes with so many cute coquette stickers, so definitely pick it up if you see it. From Hobby Lobby, I picked up this storage case for my photos. All of the little cases holds 4x6 photos. So yeah, I picked this up because I needed somewhere to store my photos. I have quite a few photos that I want to scrapbook already. And yeah, I started since last year, I think June, I started going through my photos and printing them out. It's been a lot of work. So definitely if you want to start scrapbooking, start with your photos, pick out the ones that you want to for sure scrapbook and print them out, and always use a coupon code to save on money because it does start getting quite pricey. So I got that storage case. Now for the rest of the items that I got from Hobby Lobby, I got these 2 cute packs of stickers. These, of course, I had to have. These are just some cute little clear pink bows. I got these pink alphabet stickers. I love the color on these. These just stood out from all of the other like alphabet stickers because I love the color. These cute coquette like sticker strips. They have these beautiful prints. I love the florals. The pink one, the blue one. They're just so pretty. They had these on clearance and I got 3 packs of those. They also had this on clearance last year and I picked it up because I have so many cute like Easter photos that I want to scrapbook, and this comes with everything. I also got this T-square ruler. I'm definitely gonna need this. My husband used this for Valentine's Day, so yeah, he had to like perfect the sticker letters on my bouquet. He used that. That was really handy for that. 2 packs of extender posts for the scrapbook. So these are the ones that you're going to need if you want to extend your scrapbook. Then I saw that they had this beautiful bow paper. How beautiful is that? These bow prints remind me of Matilda. I don't know if you remember or even saw that her wallpaper in her new bedroom with Miss Honey, she had this like similar wallpaper, and that's whenever I see it I call it the Matilda wallpaper because of that. And I got it in pink, of course, and then this beautiful blue, and then in green. So pretty. I got in all 3 colors that they had. I got the refill pages for the scrapbook. I got these because I wanted to add some extra sheets in the scrapbooks that I got my friends for Christmas, and I had some extras, so I kept them for myself. At Dollar Tree they have so many good things for scrapbooking. I picked up these poster letters. I got 2 pinks and the other one I've already used, so I got 4 packs. And then I also picked up this stamp block. I want to get like a different size also. This one's really tiny. I also got these like acrylic markers. Comes with 5 colors. These are super cute. They're like pastel shades. They actually work really good, so I recommend those if you see them. I got these packs of stamps, and they have so many cute like designs. This garden one, and then this like mailing stamp type of designs. So I got those 3, and then I also found this like organizer box. I went ahead and put my little letters in here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them in there, but I just put them in there just for now to keep them stored by letters. So I got that, and then I also found some cardstock, and in this beautiful pink. It kind of reminds me of my scrapbook. It's like a very similar shade of pink. It's beautiful. So if you're interested in some cardstock, they have some at Dollar Tree, and it comes with all those shades there. And I got 2 packs, but I went ahead and put all of them in this one pack here. I've gotten 2 packs of these, and I just put them all together in that same pack. But here are the different colors that it comes with. Ross has some really good scrapbooking supplies. So they had this paper pad, and it is kind of like messed up on the corner, but it's fine. It was on sale as well for $3.49. It has all these beautiful like shabby chic prints. But you can see them all here. They're super pretty, and it was the only one left at the store at that time. And then I also went to Ross recently. They had so many of these, so I was looking at them and I was like, should I take it? I was not gonna take it, but then I was like, you know what, this is super good because this comes with all of the like different holidays, and I really love the little bunny sheet. But they have winter, Christmas, and then fall, autumn, you see. And then they also have Halloween, which I'm definitely going to be using that like little skeleton. Then they have summer prints, and then they have Mother's Day and Father's Day, and then spring prints. I'm not a fan of those, but they have that one. And then they also have Easter, which I love these prints, and of course Valentine's Day. And then they also have New Year, and that is all of it. I'm for sure using the little disco ball. And yeah, so I got that paper pad as well. So that was everything that I bought in this haul. I am super happy that I finally recorded this video. I was just waiting to record it so I can finally start scrapbooking. I was saving everything to share with you girlies, but now I can finally start scrapbooking, and I'm super excited for that. So I hope you girlies enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you girlies in my next video. Bye girlies.